Tired of harsh chemicals and dry skin from your makeup remover? Discover how to create your own natural solution for soft, clean skin. In this video, we'll show you a simple DIY makeup remover that's gentle on your skin and free of harsh chemicals. Get ready to achieve that soft, hydrated skin you've always dreamed of. With a natural makeup remover you can make at home. So why choose DIY over store-bought options? Let's explore the benefits. Our natural recipe means no harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin or cause long-term damage. This DIY remover also prevents dryness, leaving your skin feeling moisturized and supple. Now let's talk about what you'll need for this simple yet effective makeup remover. First up, coconut oil. It's a fantastic natural moisturizer and an excellent makeup dissolver. Next, we have micellar water. Known for its gentle cleansing properties, it's perfect for sensitive skin. Mixing this natural remover is incredibly easy. Just follow these simple steps. Simply combine equal parts of coconut oil and micellar water in a clean container. Once combined, shake the mixture well to ensure both ingredients are fully integrated. Now that your remover is ready, let's go over how to properly use it for the best results. Dispense a small amount of your DIY makeup remover onto a fresh cotton pad. Gently wipe away your makeup, starting from the center of your face and moving outwards until all traces are gone. Beyond just removing makeup, this DIY solution offers a range of wonderful benefits for your skin. Enjoy soft, hydrated skin that feels nourished, not stripped, after every use. It's also an eco-friendly choice, reducing your waste from single-use makeup wipes. Embrace the power of natural ingredients for a healthier, happier skincare routine. Make the switch to DIY and discover the difference natural beauty can make for your skin. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY beauty tips and natural skincare recipes.